Hello everyone, welcome back to this video tutorial of Dynamics 365 Sales. In this video, we will discuss about competitors in Dynamics 365 Sales. If you take any business, we actually want to win our opportunities against our competitors, win the opportunities against our competitors. And with the help of Dynamics 365 Sales, we can track our competitors' information within our application. And when we have their information, we can easily build our sales strategies and we can win against our competitors, right? And if you see within Dynamics 365 competitors, we can add the strengths of our competitors and we can add their weakness so that we can effectively prepare a plan and we can win our sales against our competitors. And this competitor record in Dynamics 365 sales can be linked with our products, sales literature, and other opportunity records in our system. Okay, so with this we will move to Dynamics 365 Sales Hub and we will see the live demo of competitor management in Dynamics 365. Now I am in Dynamics 365 Sales Hub application. To access competitors, we need to go to competitors under Sales Group. Here you can see there are some competitor records already existing. If I open any record, I will be seeing the complete information about the competitor. Here in this case, LG is our competitor. We have captured the basic information like website, address, and also some of the information about the competitor under the timeline control. Here we can add multiple notes. And similarly, we have the strength and weakness fields. Here we can add the strengths of this competitor as well as the weakness. And next time, whenever we find this particular competitor in our opportunity, we can just open the competitor and we can see their strength and weakness so that we can plan our sales strategy accordingly. And within competitors, if I go to this opportunities tab, I can see all the opportunities that are related with this competitor. Basically, we will not come to competitor and add opportunities. Instead, what we will be doing, right? Whenever we work on opportunity, and if we think that this particular uh, company will be the competitor of our opportunity, then we can add that competitor under this competitor subgrade in our opportunity form itself. I just need to click on this add existing competitor and here I can add my competitors. This opportunity is having end-to-end relationship with our competitor table. So one opportunity can have multiple competitors and similarly one competitor can have multiple opportunities in CRM system. I will go back to my competitor here and here I can see the complete statistics. So for each competitor, I can see what are all the open opportunities that we have and what are all the won opportunities and what are all the lost opportunities. From this list, I can understand that this particular opportunity has been lost to this particular competitor. So we have lost this opportunity to LG. And in the right hand side, we have this chart as well. I can see the split up of won, lost and open opportunities. And similarly, if I go to related, I can see or I can add the related products to this particular competitor. So LG is the competitor and this product TV 132-inch is related to LG competitor. Our organization might sell lot of products hundreds of product or thousands of products, but not all the product will have LG as a competitor. Only limited set of products will have LG as the competitor, right? So that information we can capture it over here. So if you want to add product, we can come to competitor page and then we can add products over here. Or if we are in the products form, here as well, we can add the competitors. Similar to opportunities, product will also have end-to-end relationship with competitor. One product will have multiple competitors, and similarly, one competitor will have multiple products. And next, we can also associate the sales literature. In our last video, we discussed about sales literature, right? So where we talked like sales literature will have the association with competitor, right? The same way, competitor record will also have the association with sales literature. Directly from our competitor, we can attach the existing sales literatures that are relevant to this particular competitor, or we can attach the competitors in sales literature as well. So in sales literature, if I scroll down, I will be seeing this competitor subgrid. Here I can add my competitors. Now we will just change the status of any of our opportunity and we will check if it is reflecting in competitor. Now this is the opportunity and here you can see LG as our competitor. In case if we are losing this competitor to LG, we can click close as lost and then in the competitor we can mark it as LG. We can click on OK. And now if I go back to my competitor record, I will be seeing this opportunity as lost. Earlier we had only one lost opportunity against this competitor. Now we have two opportunities lost against this competitor. And in the chart also the same insight will be reflected. And to create a new competitor, we just need to click on this new button and we can add the competitor information over here. We can add the website address and if they have any ticker symbol or if we know the reported revenue of that competitor, we can add it over here. As well as we can add strength, weakness and any additional notes are available, we can add it over here. I hope this video is helpful for you in understanding the competitor management in Dynamics 365 Sales. Let's meet you in the next video. Thank you.